The idea behind social interpretation is that we're using social media concepts and putting them onto museum collections. And is that possible? And can you get engagement and reach from those techniques and concepts? But we've also got another overarching question about moderation and whether we can get visitors to moderate any user-generated content that comes through it. So our objectives and outputs, as it were, we've got three. We are creating an in-gallery kiosk, we're creating an online online website, additional things to the existing Imperial War Museum website, and we're creating a mobile application. And all three of those are synchronised.
We have just launched the project in our Family and War exhibition, which opened just before Easter at Imperial War Museum in Lambeth Road. We've got 6 kiosks installed there that people are able to comment against, and we also have 9 QR codes against objects.
It's quite new for the sector to have the visitor having an equal role in the interpretation that's going on. So the way we've worked it is that there's the museum voice, there's also the visitor voice, and they're completely equal. And that's something that hasn't been done before in museums. So we're implying something called radical trust. And it's an idea that we quite like other museums to take up, and cultural organisations to take up the idea that just because your visitor can abuse or write inappropriate comments doesn't necessarily mean that they will. No. And for us, that's going to be a big learning to see whether that or not is true.
From an organisational point of view, one of the things that is really fascinating is to see how the impact of this project, what the impact of this project has on our front of house staff, so our visitor services people, and obviously of our users themselves, our visitors, but also the impact on the back of house. So in terms of if comments are reported, what kind of time needs to be spent on moderation, and what kinds of policies do we need to put in place, terms and conditions and moderation policies, to support the activity that we're doing, and that we feel will be very transferable to the rest of the sector if it proves that the policies that we've created are successful.